good whatever time of day it is for you. Today is headliner day, and just like an old blown out pair of underwear, it's time to go out with the old and in with the new, which will sometimes be a dirty process. But I'm going to start tear down of the inside today, and Aaron is going to be heading off to school to go do some learning. But hopefully when you come back today, there will be some fun and it won't be all dirty. So
yeah, I guess I'm not sorry I'm leaving for the dirty part.
So we are excited to be able to get all this out, because once we get rid of the headliner, then come the louder, funner parts. So we will be doing that. There will also be some cool and classy interior parts being put in to make it look a little bit better, but not be gaudy. Well, let's get this project underway. Project Saggy Underwear Headliner. So first thing I'm going to need to do is start removing everything around. Lots of removal tools, just like you would use for car stereo, because there's a lot of pop rivets, all of that. I have baby drill, because I don't want to blow anything out, want to, use a little bit more caution. But we're going to start with the pillars, and I'm probably going to put you all on time lapse because this is going to be long and sucks. One thing I want to point out is also have some sort of container for your odds and ends, bolts, all of that. So let's get underway. Maybe we'll take an intermission for some swearing when it gets really, really hard. That's what they said. Also, since it's super hot, water. Rained a bunch last night, just humid. I'm going to be just soaking. So, LFG. All right, we gotta talk about this snow that's going on. Oh, this is why safety glasses are important. Because I have all of the ceiling dust and headliner dust falling on my face. So, be right back. So here we are. The headliner is out. Aaron is back from class, and we are going to do the dirty part. I'm gonna rip off the remaining sheets and do it.
Alright, we've got the headliner and enough of the old adhesive removed, and this lovely black suede fabric ready to install.
Awesome. Let's get to it. The time has come. The headliner returns to whence it came. One does not simply install a new headliner in one day. One must enter Mordor. Let's do it! everybody, or whoever, the 2 people that are watching this, how many ever, we're starting off. But thank you for bearing with us. I'm sure this edit is going to be a nightmare in the next couple of days, but no more saggy underwear effect. I know for me, I am glad it was in time lapse. I swore a lot. I actually just started swearing about stupid bolts that fell down into a door panel. I know for Aaron and I, or well, for me, it was definitely trying at times, just working together. But how is it for you, dear?
It went all right. I have a lot of experience gluing things using spray adhesive, and this one was a challenge for sure. I know what I'm gonna do different next time.
That I don't want there to be a next time. Let's just leave this rat shit ass headliner.
And by next time, it's not what we will do differently next time, it's what I will do differently next time.
Or
as
whoever.
you can see, Tyler's fine with it. It looks good.
Yeah, it is good. It feels better, it looks better. There's minimal side.
It is better.
But
yeah. And I like the color.
Thanks everybody stopping by. Let us know what you want to see in the comments, all of that. Next up are the vroom vroom parts, because there's a bunch of stuff that involves the intake and exhaust sitting on the porch.
Yeah, let's do something fun.
Later.